for our answers. Say give reason for your answers. So we have to find y and to find angle b. So let me transfer it here. So we have this. Look at the diagram very closely. So we have to find the value of y and the value of b. So let's find the value of y first. We are going to say, if you look very closely, you realize that this place is 260 degrees. And then this place is angle y. Now, if you check very well now, you realize that this angle 260 and angle y, they form angle at the center, they form angle at a point. So we're going to say y plus 260 degrees is equal to 360 degrees. What's our reason? We are going to say angle at a point. Angles at a point. Angle at a point means angle form in a total, angle form something like this, like in a circle. So if you add up this and this, you get this. Now, so we have y equal, we have 360 degrees, take away 260 degrees. So we now have y will now be equal to 100 degrees. So 100 degrees is the value of y here. 100 degrees. So y is equal to 100 degrees. Now, if you check very well, you realize that in part A, the part 1 of this angle at center, I treated something, the first example we took. If you look very well, you realize that number 2 has this type of, you realize that you find something like this. If you look very well, you discover that you find something like this. So angle, anytime you find this type of shape in circle geometry, angle that is at the center here, of course here is the center, angle that is here is times 2 of whatever that is up here. So now that we know the angle at the center, this other one, which is 100 degrees, to find the angle at B, that's angle B, we are going to divide the angle at center by 2. So we are going to say that B is equal to 100 degrees divided by 2, which will give us 50 degrees. What's our reason? We are going to say angle, we restructure the theorem now and say it this way. We say angle, we will now say angle at circumference, angle at circumference, sorry, angle at center, okay, angle at, that's fine. Angle at circumference is half, angle at circumference is half angle at center, is half angle at center. So this is the reason angle at circumference is half angle at center. If they give you the angle at circumference and tell you to find the angle at the center, you multiply by 2 to find the angle at the center. But if they give you the angle at the center and you are told to find the angle at any other part of the circumference, you divide it by 2. Thank you very, very much for watching this, for following this. God bless you. So let me give you something now